Welcome to my channel.
The Hare and the Tortoise. Once upon a time there lived a hare and a tortoise. The hare was very proud of how fast he could run, so one day he challenged the tortoise to a race. The tortoise agreed, even though everyone knows he was very slow to win. The race began. Hare raced too fast that he was far ahead of the tortoise. Feeling confident, the hare decided to take a nap under the tree. While the tortoise kept going step by step, on his way he saw the hare sleeping. He passed by the hare and reached near the final line. When the hare woke up, he was shocked to see the tortoise crossing the finish line. He ran towards the tortoise, but the tortoise had won the race. Now Hare has realized that proudness can cause you trouble. Moral: it doesn't matter how fast or strong you are. What matters is being steady and never giving up. They all have realized that slow and steady wins the race. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.